me in the kayak. I love it. It's so peaceful. Just out here, relaxed, bobbing around in the water. It's actually pretty nice. It's only 3 meters per second now, so the wind has dropped. It's just, oh, I love it. I love being on the water so much. Do you know what? I think I've been really lucky because I can see the rain is falling over there and somehow I'm missing it as I'm going this way. And for a few little specks hitting me, but not very much. So I actually think I got lucky. It is officially now raining on me. I thought I'd been lucky, but turns out I wasn't so lucky. So that's okay. I don't mind the rain. Why it is 100% worth weathering the storm. The sun is shining! It's so calm out on the water. I think I could live on the water. Maybe it's because my star sign is Pisces. But I'm definitely a big fish. Here is the nothing heading to me. Don't want it to head to me, but I'm going over there. There's a little jetty. And I'm really hoping that doesn't fall on me. But, you know, let's see. Let's see. I'm optimistic. This is where I'm going to take my lunch break. Pretty nice, right? Look how calm the water looks here. You wouldn't think I've just been battling it out in the waves. Like all the way out there. It's a very different story. This is me. I'm going to sit here, eat my lunch, and enjoy this view. Going back to the harbour now. Had my lunch. Been rained on quite a lot, so I've given in and I'm wearing a rain jacket now. It's not like I'm cold or anything. My wetsuit keeps me pretty warm, but I just don't want to get a little bit cold and not realise that I'm getting cold because I'm moving my body all the time. It's a little bit hard to tell. It means I rustle a little bit more when I move, but you know, it's fine. I hope you enjoyed sailing with me today. I do plan on doing more kayaking, and so I hope to bring you out on more tours. This is just the beginning of my kayaking journey, to be honest, because this is the second time I've ever been in a kayak. This is just the beginning, and I hope to be giving you more footage of some kayak tours in the future. Thanks for watching.